Hi, Edwin here. In this video I want to talk about AzonConversionBooster. AzonConversionBooster is a plugin Mike and I created, and we focus on the most important part of our affiliate business. Besides getting traffic to your websites, what do you think the most important part is? It is converting your visitors into people that go to Amazon and buy a product. You need to convert your visitor into a buyer. Getting traffic alone is not the key to success. No, you need to convert. And why not take the example of Amazon? And that is what we thought. We looked at Amazon and how the way they structured their sites, and we took that example. Amazon is a master in marketing. They spend millions a year on perfecting the way people visit their site and to convert a visitor into a buyer. And that example is what we took, and it goes against the advice of some people. Some people say if you have a website about a product, don't advertise any other product. And maybe they are right, but I think Amazon knows better. And Amazon is the example that we took. Because if you go to a product page from Amazon, you will see not one product. No, you will see that they show also what people bought together with the product, and they also show, if you go a little bit lower, what other people have looked at and bought. They do that with a single reason: to convert better. And you can do that right now with your website with our plugin. We created the part that Amazon does over here, and we made it into a single easy plugin to use, which we call AzonConversionBooster. And the idea is very simple. Let me take the demo site. Over here I have created a little bit of text. It's really a demo site. And if I go to edit post, you see there's nothing there except this. So if you go to view post, just to show you that there's nothing hidden at this moment, and I refresh it, you see it's very basic. Okay. What happens with the plugin installed is that the plugin will scan your post or page for Amazon products. And it doesn't matter how you create that post, if it is with a plugin like Azon Builder, Fresh Builder, Amanish, WP Robot, whatever plugin you use, or manually, and I'll show you in a minute the manual way. The plugin AzonConversionBooster is able to scan and read what you have written, and if you've written anything about an Amazon product and link to it, the plugin will be able to find it, even if the links are a little bit cloaked because of the plugin that you used. So let me show you what happens if I write a little bit and link to this product. And Amazon has this easy feature over here. And I want to take the image, highlight the HTML, copy, edit post. I'm going to paste it over there. And again, this is if you do it manually, but if you use any Amazon plugin, it won't take this long. So don't think that you always need to do this manually. If I click update, and I'm going to view the post, of course there will be that product, and you saw also over here with a slight delay, and what happens, and I will explain that later, the related products that Amazon has. So you can enter this part at the bottom of the post or at the top, or with using a shortcode you can put it anywhere into your content. Of course in this case the content is almost nothing, but if it's a very large piece of text that you've written, and you should if you do review from products, then you can put it anywhere in your text that you like. The slight delay that you saw is because this part, the fetching of a related product, does not wait, or I should say the other way around. The loading of your post will not wait for the plugin to finish. And that is very important. And why I did that is because it won't slow down your WordPress site. There are a lot of plugins that can do a lot of things, but if you install a lot of plugins, what happens is that your site becomes slower and slower. And by doing it the way I have done it, is making sure that your site loads as fast as possible. So that is something that I built in, and you can call me a nerd or something like that, but I like my sites to stay speedy. I don't want anything to slow it down. So let me show you a little bit about the options for Amazon Conversion Booster. Like I said, you can automatically add the part on your posts or your pages, but you can also say, I don't want that, I only want it on certain posts or pages, and then you can put the auto add on no, and then you will need to use the shortcut. If you use the automatic part, then you can decide where you want it, at the top, the bottom, or even both. And you can say, I only want it on pages and posts that really have the Amazon product, but you can also say, I want it on all pages, and then you need to enter a product that will be the default product, and then it will always show that if it doesn't find any other products in your content. Some options for showing it on each page. For instance, if somebody goes to your main page and that main page shows all your posts in order, do you also want it on those pages? And that you can decide for yes or no. And some various layout options for colors and styling and things like that. So this is all you need to enter. It's a few questions, and once you have done that, the plugin will always work on autopilot. There's also a widget part, and that will work like this. It will work after the first time that it has found a product, and the way, because I've done that also with the same idea, that the plugin should not wait for content to be built up. So all about speed, all about making sure that your visitor converts into somebody that clicks a link to Amazon and makes you more commission. And that is what we, I assume, as Amazon affiliates want. Okay, if you have any questions, just let me know and I will answer them. Thank you very much.